Hello everyone! Today I'm making a delicious dessert, a cherry cheese pie, part baked, part chilled. This dessert is always a favorite. The ingredients for the crust are 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 stick unsalted butter melted, 1 pinch or 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup chopped nuts. Ingredients for the filling are 1 8-ounce package cream cheese, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 small carton extra creamy whipped topping, 1 can cherry pie filling. To make the crust, preheat your oven to 325, 350 if you're using a metal pan. Stir the flour, sugar, and salt together. Put the flour mixture into a medium bowl. Add melted butter, then mix until the dough is even. Press the dough on the sides and bottom of the lightly greased 8x8 cake pan. Press chopped nuts evenly into bottom of pie crust. Bake until brown, about 20 minutes. Remove from oven. Allow to cool completely. Making the filling. Put cream cheese in a large mixing bowl. Add powdered sugar and mix well. Add lemon juice and vanilla, then mix well. Add whipped topping. Mix until even. Spread evenly on the crust. Spread cherry pie filling evenly on the top. Leave in refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. This pie is so easy and fun to make, but even better to eat. Please click the like button. The recipe is available for download in the description below. Please subscribe to be notified when new videos are released.